Good afternoon, guys. After a walk, I went to the bakery. I was not able to buy because they have only white bread, and I'm not allowed to eat that with grains, what I need. So I went to the supermarket. Anyway, I still have bread at the freezer. I have many frozen bread. All I have to do is to put that in a microwave or in a bread toaster. So I went to our shop here, our local shop. So I was able to buy roast pork for my lunch, and I have other things with it. I had other like rice and other vegetables or pickles for my pork. So why not? And now, guys, I'll be heading home to have my lunch and then take a rest. And then tonight, I have a part-time job again, guys. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, life is not boring if you keep yourself busy, you know. Just let your life going on. You spend, you earn first before spending. Yeah. It's a nice way of life, you know, your way of life. You earn first before you spend, and don't rely on the help of others. Don't rely on asking money from your family. There are people who are already, you know, are strong and still able to work but don't work, and they rely on begging. Not me. I don't beg. I have to work. I have to earn money so that I can buy what I need and to pay my bills. That's the way it is, guys. I'm yucking. I didn't know my granddaughter called, I think. She wants me to drive to school, but I was at work. Sorry. And she did not call again. I should have, because it's only Nia. I should pick her up, but she did not call again. Okay, guys. You know, life, you know, it is boring if you will not move. You will rely on begging. Yeah, I'm not the type of person. Okay. I'm home again. Where's my remote control? Oh, guys, I lost my remote control. I don't know. Oh no, maybe it's in my pocket. Guys, I have to look. Maybe in my bag. I always lost my remote control, guys. And I haven't returned it to... And I haven't returned the remote control to my keys. I turn off first the car, you know, my pet. Oh no, if I turn on again, so anyway, it's parked. I'll get my jacket is over there. Come on, I go back. My car is back already. Don't run away, car. Maybe the remote control is here. I said it's in my jacket, my uniform. The car is complaining now. I don't have seatbelt. Anyway, it's only short. I'm just opening the garage. And now the garage is open. I have to go. Stop that car. Stop. It's a reverse. It's a reverse. Guys, the car is noisy, telling me to fasten your seatbelt, but it's only near. I'm now in my garage, guys. I will turn off this car. I turned off. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.